super duper exciting day because it's going to be a shopping haul. So recently I have shopped in Shein online. So I thought I'll share with you all what all I purchased. Pretty accessories, few frogs, dresses. So let's see. This video is going to be completely in English because this video is going to be useful for a lot of people over there. So that's why I plan to do this video in English rather than my mother tongue. So let's see, let's get started. So this is the Shein bag I got. Look at that huge bag. Yes. So let's see what all are in here. I'm super duper excited. So let's do it one by one, right? So Shein is currently having few offers. Currently some like summer offers are going on. It differs from country to country. Presently we are in UAE, so we are having few offers, summer offers going on. So I ordered few from summer offers and few from a flash sale as well. So let's see how they're going to be. So let's just start it. Oh my god. What is this? My god. I'm actually carefully removing the covers because if in case these are not good for me, I will definitely return it. So that is the thing. So the first and a pretty dress which I loved is this. The beautiful red frock. So this is the pretty frock. So this frock was like this prices and all I'll give you in the description. If you want, you can check them out. So this is the beautiful frock. First frock. It's a straight frock. It doesn't have any frills or something like that, but the cloth is good. But I thought it would be much better as well. Problem is, you cannot wash it. You have to give it for dry cleaning or you have to hand wash it. You cannot put it in a machine. The cloth is like that. So this is how the dress is, complete dress. So this dress, I'm going to wear it and show you. Okay? This is the second dress. This dress is like nowadays I feel like having the dark green color in my wardrobe. So it is like I literally like the color, the floral thing and all. So I brought it. So this is how it goes. It's a second dress. This is the thing. It has a collar neck and sleeves, bell sleeves, and this is a frock style. This is how it is. So the advantage about this frock is it's a silk material, kind of soft material. It's not see-through, I can tell you, but it should be better. It would be nice if there was something inside as well. So that was the only defect of this dress. And let's see how it goes if I wear it, So this is the second dress. is my favorite color, you know. It's like I already told you guys that I am being very much, you know, like interested in this green color. So this is also one of the green shade. So this dress is also a very beautiful dress, and it is loved by my husband. He insisted me to buy this dress, and this is how the dress is. Look at that color. So this is how the dress is. It's not completely long. I can tell you the length is around 52 or 50. 50, I guess. It's just 50. It comes above the ankle. So that is how this dress is. So the cloth of this dress is not so rough or not so soft. It is like normal cloth. So this, I can tell you that it doesn't hurt you when you wear it. You know, it doesn't be that rough, or it is not rather be that soft. It's nice cloth. You can wear it either in summers or winters. So it is a good dress, and I got it for a very good deal. So I think it's just for 50 dirhams or so. I'll share all the prices, details, everything in the description, because I don't remember any of the prices for this, because it's been very long I ordered all these dresses. So I'll wear this dress and come, let's see how it goes, and you can see how it is. This is and the next dress. This dress is actually in flash sale. So Shein will be having flash sale, like, you know, like they have this flash sale kind of every now and then. I mean, every day they're having the sale, but lot products, I mean, like more products will not be there. So the day where I'm like purchasing, so that day they had this offer on this dress. This was just for 26 or 27 dirhams. It is like very, you know, less. I basically did not like the top. This is a top and a skirt type. This is the top actually. This was the top. I know I did not like this top, but I loved the skirt. The skirt was so damn good. So I thought, let me buy this and use the skirt at least, you know, because the skirt quality and all, you know, because this dress was like 95 dirhams dress, and it was half the, not even half, you know, it was like almost in 75% off. So why should you just say no? So that's why I purchased this dress, and I thought I'll use the skirt like a dress. I'll show you how I'm gonna use it. So this is and the last dress dress is going to be super special dress. So it's a mom and daughter dress. I have a daughter of 5-year-old, so both of us ordered the same dress from Shein. We usually have some traditional clothes, Indian traditional clothes, but we didn't have the western ones. So we are going to have both of us are going to have a together western dress. So this is going to be the pretty dress, Shein dress. So this is my frock. I just love the hands, it's so good. And this is like the cloth is also so good, and they're having a pretty colors in this. You can just check it out. I was thinking of having this color from very long, because I've used almost all the colors, so I thought I'll use some colors which are like which I don't have. So these hands were like the best thing in this dress. And this dress is like you can just go for a size lesser basically, because it has the elastic over here. So that is the advantage, you can just go for the less size. Like if you're L, you can go for M. If you're M, you can go for S. Because I ordered M, but still it is little loose for me. So it must be good if I have ordered S in this size. So that is the thing. And this is the fabric of the dress. This is mine. And it is the little princess dress, my daughter dress. This is her dress. Same. So yeah, so you can see both of us wearing these dresses, obviously. Ordered few belts. It's like I didn't have many belts all these years. Belts in the sense like you wear a plain dress and you just add a belt like an accessory to it. So I just got a very good deal in Shein and a very good collection, which I couldn't resist or I couldn't stop myself. So I ordered lots of belts. So let's see one by one. So first let me show you the belts like this. So this is the belt. All these belts are very good, they're elastic, such a good belt. So you can put these belts on any of the plain dresses. You can just you can style them like anything. You can style accordingly. Such a pretty one, and the quality is awesome. And it was like around just 10 dirhams or 10 dirhams or so, not even less than 10 dirhams I guess. So same model, I have ordered 2 belts. So one is this style, and other would be this style. So a leaf kind of, and these two. So these were a combo offer. There was a combo sale going on, so I ordered both. So these are the first pair of belts. Then I love this belt. It's like awesome belt. You wear any plain dress and just put this belt on, the whole dress itself is going to look awesome. So belt is like this. So you just need to buckle it like this. So this is how the belt is. Look at that. It's awesome. The quality, I'm telling you, it's amazing. And the back side also, they have given such a beautifully stretching, you know. It would fit easily up to XL, double XL people, because it has such a stretchable, you know, it is so stretchable. I don't think kids can use, but above 15 years anybody can use such belts. It's awesome. It was little costly, I guess. It was around 25 dirhams, I guess. So but it is worth, you know, it's just worth. It's awesome. Then I ordered a plain black belt. So this belt also, you can use it on Indo-Western as well as you can use it on, you know, saris and all. My main thought was to use on saris, so that is why you know, my thought was to bring this belt. So this is how the next belt is. This is also super duper stretchable, and it was very less price, I can tell you. So this is the next belt. It's around 10 dirhams, I guess. So this belt has a, you know, like a buckle kind of here. You can just pin it. That's it. This is my next beautiful belt. And next belt is this. It's a sequence belt. So this was just arrival belt, I mean to say. This looks awesome on dresses and saris for Indian style. For Western also you can easily, you know, put it, I can tell you. This was also on a very good sale, so I had to take it. And this is also stretchable. There is, you know, look at the inner thing. It's so, you know, they put a material which is so stretchable. So this is the next belt. Look, it's so stretchable. So this was around 11-12 dirhams. So this is the next belt. And the last belt is this. This is the last belt. When you wear a white t-shirt and a, you know, kind of a normal white shirt along with a skirt, and you put this belt on, it looks good. It looks awesome. So basically I have taken all these belts because in my mind I had a thing of wearing it on saris, you know, styling it with different kind of dresses. You know, you can make any dress beautiful with these belts, what I feel. So that is why, and now all these belts and dresses are also in trend, so that is the reason. And there was actually I ordered one thing for my daughter also. So a kind of a bracelet. She's into bangles and bracelets, so that is why I ordered this beautiful, you know, this is stretchable bangle kind of thing. So I ordered in red color and green color. So that is it about my Shein haul. So there are a few items which I liked, and there are a few which I didn't like as well. So there are a few items which I'm going to return them as well, because all the belts were in sale, so they were not returnable. I mean, you cannot return, but I love the belts, so I'm not going to return anyway. But there are 1-2 dresses which I didn't like the fit personally, so I'm planning to return those dresses. Yeah, Shein is like, they have a good quality dresses, so quality I don't think is a matter. So that is about the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and please comment which dress you liked more or which belt you liked more. Thank you. Bye bye.
A special thanks to this cutie little princess. She recorded all the videos with lot of, you know, patience. So thank you so much, my dear little cutie baby.